We are pleased to show you the 2019 X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.